Meet your very first home embroidery machine, PooLin EOC06. Big ideas can start right at home. No matter where you are, creativity begins here. It's really easy to use, just power on and you're ready to go. A 7-inch HD screen makes it beginner-friendly and more space to create. More power to grow. Bigger designs, bigger possibilities. Create freely, edit smarter, and start embroidering instantly. Let your machine work its magic. Every PooLin machine works with the Institch. Create anywhere. Transfer your designs instantly. Inspiration goes where you go. Easy to learn, use your imagination. EOC06 keeps you focused on making, not setting up. Turn everyday ideas into beautiful creations. What's in your mind can become something you can touch and share. Make all the things. Plus extra with PooLin EOC06.